States of America, we know that the best way to celebrate any holiday is with candy. Some treats we look forward to all year. That is until their manufacturers decide to not so secretly ruin them. Hi, it's Keri with Buzz 60. There are seasonal foods we can only get during their specific holiday season. In the fall, it's the pumpkin spice latte. Thanksgiving brings us the candy corn, and Easter brings us the classic Cadbury egg. Well, it used to be classic. The makers have decided to secretly change the recipe. According to the spokesperson, it is no longer dairy milk. It's similar, but not exactly dairy milk. We tested the new one with consumers. It was found to be the best one for the cream egg, which is why we've used it this year. This brings up so many questions. How many consumers got to try the new egg? What is similar to dairy milk? Is this now the milk of soy? The spokesperson goes on, the cream egg has never been called the Cadbury's Dairy Milk Cream Egg. We have never played on the fact that dairy milk chocolate was used. Funny, I can tweet to an official Cadbury Dairy Milk Twitter account. The other change that Cadbury has rolled out is that the traditional half-dozen box of chocolate cream eggs is now only 5. I guess that works out. If you buy the new Cadbury cream eggs but don't like the new chocolate, at least you'll only have to eat 5 of them. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.